Today we are starting Unit 3 of Lesson 3, The Passing Away of Bapu. We have already finished Lessons 1 and 2. Bapu had been killed and the people of India were stunned. The funeral procession of Bapu was described in Unit 2, and now we are coming to the last part of this prose piece, Unit 3. Some days after the funeral, that means the ceremony after death, a special train took Gandhiji's ashes to Allahabad. After Gandhiji's body was burnt on the pyre, P-Y-R-E, pyre, Bengali meaning cheetah. After Gandhiji's body was burnt on the pyre, his ashes were taken by a special train. Where Gandhiji's ashes taken to? Gandhiji's ashes were taken to Allahabad. Now why Allahabad? Because in Allahabad there is the Ganga, and that is why people wanted to immerse his ashes in the water of the Ganges. The compartment, that means the compartment of the train, was decked with flowers. Decked means decorated, shojjito. The compartment was decorated with flowers. People on the train sang bhajans. Bhajan, an Indian word, a Hindi word, means religious song, dharmiyo sangit. People who were on the train sang religious songs. People did not weep anymore, for they could feel Gandhiji's presence amid the flowers and the songs. If you remember, when the first news of Gandhiji's death reached the Indians, what their reaction was? They wept, they were stunned, they were shocked, they could not believe that their beloved Bapuji was dead. But now people did not weep anymore. People did not cry anymore. Why did people not cry anymore? Because the songs, the bhajans, the flowers, in the midst of them, amid means in the midst of, moddhe. In the midst of the songs and flowers, people could feel that Gandhiji was there. Gandhiji had not left them. Gandhiji was with them. Gandhiji was with them amidst the flowers and the songs. At every station, sorrowful crowds filled the platform. Whenever the train entered a platform, there was a huge crowd. Who had assembled at the railway platforms? The sad Indians. They were sorrowful. Sorrowful means sad. Amid song and prayer, the train reached Allahabad. The train finally reached Allahabad with Gandhiji's ashes. The ashes were immersed in the Ganges. Immerse. To immerse means to dip in a liquid. কোনো তরল পদার্থে কিছু ডোবানো তাকে বলা হয় to immerse. The noun form is immersion. In Bengali, বিসর্জন. So Gandhiji's ashes were dipped in the sacred river of the Ganges, where a huge crowd had gathered at the bank. Huge means large. Crowd means assembly of many people. Many people had assembled on the bank of the river Ganges. Why? Because they wanted to be present during the immersion of Gandhiji's ashes in the river Ganga. Afterwards, we all went back to Delhi. After the immersion of Gandhiji's ashes in the Ganga, the writer and her companions went back to Delhi because their home was in Delhi. Next page. In Delhi, I felt at sea. At sea is an idiom. It means to be totally confused. The writer was totally confused after returning to Delhi. I had not directly walked with Gandhiji, gone to prison at his call, or made any sacrifice for my country. These things came back to her mind. Gandhiji was a great leader. He led the Indians against the tyranny of the British Raj. He had given leadership to the freedom struggle. Lakhs of people had participated, had taken part in the freedom struggle after Gandhi's clarion call to the Indians. গান্ধীজির উদাত্ত আহ্বানে সাড়া দিয়ে লক্ষ লক্ষ ভারতবাসী স্বাধীনতা সংগ্রামে অংশ নিয়েছিলেন। But that does not mean that all the Indians had taken part in the freedom movement. No. For example, the writer herself had not directly participated in the freedom movement. She had not directly walked with Gandhiji. Gandhiji, as we have already found, gave immense importance to walk. Remember the Dandi March. So, gone to prison at his call. When Gandhiji walked, lakhs of people walked with him. When Gandhiji gave a clarion call, people went to prison, the British prison, at his call. Why did people respond to his call? Because Gandhiji's call was a clarion call and he was the beloved leader of the country. That's why people responded to his call. But the writer herself had not responded to that call or made any sacrifice for my country. Sacrifice, that means willful suffering, Atmotag. Many patriots had laid down their lives to emancipate India from the fetters of slavery. বহু দেশপ্রেমিক প্রাণ বিসর্জন দিয়েছিলেন ভারতবর্ষকে বিদেশী শৃঙ্খল মুক্ত করতে, দাসত্বের শৃঙ্খল মুক্ত করতে। They had sacrificed their lives, they had undergone terrible torture in the British prisons in the Andamans. This is sacrifice. But the writer admits that she had not made any sacrifice for her country. My sisters and I and other young people like me had been merely onlookers. Merely means only. Onlooker means a person who only looks at something without participating in it. অংশ না নিয়ে যে শুধু দেখে যায়। For example, while walking along the road, I find that a person is being beaten up by some ruffians. কিছু লোক তাকে মারধর করছে। I just looked at it and went away. That means I am a mere onlooker. I did not try to prevent them from beating the person. So, the writer herself, her sisters, and there were thousands and thousands of young people like her who had not taken part in the freedom struggle. They had just looked at the freedom movement, but they had not taken part in it. But still I felt at sea. Even though the writer had not directly taken part in the freedom movement at the call of Gandhiji, she was confused after his death. Why? I felt I had grown up within a magic circle. Magic circle. Now this term must be explained. Circle means, a geometrical figure which is round in shape. But what is magic circle? The word magic circle here means a circle that protects the Indians. What was the magic circle? Actually, it was the presence of Gandhiji and the trust of the Indians in Gandhiji that he would protect him. Gandhiji প্রতি ভারতীয়দের বিশ্বাস যে তিনি তাদের রক্ষা করবেন. This was a sort of magic circle. The Indians had to suffer much. The British rulers tortured them. The British ruler exploited them. But the Indians had one comfort, one consolation. What was that comfort? That Gandhiji was there. As long as Gandhiji is there, no one can harm them. This is the magic circle. And the writer herself, like millions of Indians, had grown up within that magic circle because Gandhiji was there. Whenever a disaster came, they thought that Gandhiji would protect them. But with Bapu's passing away, I felt the magic circle had vanished. Vanished means disappeared, leaving me unprotected. Now that Gandhiji was not there, that magic circle, that trust in Gandhiji's power had also disappeared. Now, people felt helpless. People like the writer and other millions of Indians felt helpless because now Gandhiji was not there to protect them from any disaster. So they felt unprotected. Unprotected means no one to protect them. Now the Indians felt that there was no one to protect them. Such was the dependence of the Indians upon Gandhiji. With an effort I roused myself. Rouse. To rouse means to awaken. Jagiye tola. The writer was gradually being lost in depression. তিনি আস্তে আস্তে একটা বিষণ্ণতার মধ্যে তলিয়ে যাচ্ছিলেন, বাট নাও উইথ অ্যান এফোর্ট, উইথ অ্যান এন্ডেভার, একটা চেষ্টার দ্বারা she awakened herself. I asked myself, had Bapu lived and died for nothing? The writer, a follower of Gandhiji, asked herself this question. Had Bapu lived and died for nothing? That means if a question is in the negative, the answer is in the affirmative. Bapu had lived and died for something. What is that something? That something is an ideal, একটা আদর্শ. What is the ideal of Gandhiji? The ideal of Gandhiji is non-violence and fight against tyranny. অহিংসা এবং অত্যাচারের বিরুদ্ধে লড়াই. This was the ideal of Gandhiji. But Gandhiji, throughout his life, had struggled for these two things: non-violence and fight against tyranny. So Gandhiji had lived and died for an ideal. Gandhiji ultimately sacrificed his life for that ideal. ওই আদর্শের জন্য জীবন বিসর্জন দিলেন. How could I so easily lose courage when he was no longer there? This was the question asked by the writer to herself. Gandhiji was not there, but she should not lose courage. Courage means bravery, সাহস. She should not be without courage. Why? My values were not so weak. Here the word values, the plural of value means worth, mullo. Into when it is plural, the meaning is principles, niti, mullo bod. The writer had certain values. She had learnt those values, those principles from Gandhiji. Those principles, as I have already said, non-violence and fight against injustice. অন্যায়ের বিরুদ্ধে লড়াই এবং অহিংসা. So these values were still there. Millions of people would have been ordinary folk but for Bapu. Here the word but means in the absence of. If Gandhiji had not been there, millions of people would have been ordinary people. Folk means people. He brought them out of indifference and awakened them to one another's suffering. This was the role played by Gandhiji in India's freedom struggle. What was it? Gandhiji brought the Indians out of indifference. What is indifference? Indifference means lack of interest, ঔদাসীন্য. Before the advent of Gandhiji, the Indians were indifferent to the sufferings of other Indians. অন্য ভারতীয়দের দুঃখ কষ্টে তারা উদাসীন থাকত. Some people in Punjab have suffered, so it does not affect me. Some people in Tamil Nadu have suffered, no, it doesn't affect me. Because I am not a Tamil, I am not a Punjabi. No. Gandhiji taught us that whenever some Indians suffer, it is the suffering of the nation. We must not remain indifferent to the sufferings of others. This was Gandhiji's teaching. This was his principle. What if now Bapu is gone? Even if Gandhiji has died, everything is not lost. We were still there, young, strong, and proud to bear his banner before us. We means The Indians, the young Indians. The young Indians were still there. And they would be proud to bear his banner. Banner means flag. With Gandhiji's death, the flag had fallen on the ground. Now, it is the duty of the Indians to pick the flag up and march forward. গান্ধীর পতাকা নিয়ে সামনে এগিয়ে যেতে হবে. Gandhiji's mortal remains were consecrated to flames. গান্ধীজির দেহাবশেষ আগুনে ভস্মীভূত হয়েছে. But his ideals are immortal. তাঁর আদর্শ অমর. Bapu had passed away, but his India would continue to live in his children. His children means the Indians, because Gandhiji is called the father of the nation, and all the Indians are like his children. So even after the death of Gandhiji, India would live in the children of Gandhiji. That means the next generation, the posterity, পরবর্তী প্রজন্ম, they would live by following the principles and ideals of Gandhi. Gandhiji's ideals are still relevant. Gandhir আদর্শ আজও প্রাসঙ্গিক. Today, whenever there is injustice, we should fight against it with the help of non-violence. And it was taught us by Gandhi. In this way, we will be able to carry forward his ideals. This is the message of the writer. We have finished it. Now write the comprehension exercises of Unit 3. I will send the answers of Unit 2 and 3 together, and I will also send you the word meanings through WhatsApp. So continue your studies, and today our studies comes to an end. Thank you.